Okay, hi there traders and welcome to Trade the Structure and another live recording of the 5-minute trading day in action. You'll see that made the 31 points. Actually, it's normally about 30 we're going for on the Hang Seng, but it gave us 1 point slippage, which is a little bonus. But you'll see that live in action. So what you'll see now, I'm just starting to mark up the levels that I want to see give me some sort of opportunity. We've got one level on the upside, so if it breaks through that, I want to be a buyer. And if it goes down through the bottom side there, which you'll see is, I think it's about 22,205, that's my sell target, so just through that level. And then I'll be going for my 30 points with a 30-point risk. So if I get it right, I'll make myself 30 points. If I get it wrong, I'll lose 30 points. So you'll see that play out in just a moment. So really now, I'll just get into placing the orders. We're just starting to type it up. Now, I'll probably start off with the top side there because I don't want to get, there's only about, I think it's about 20, 30, 40 seconds to go or so before the open. So the market, there you go, 20, 40 seconds. So the market opens at 12:15 for the futures, and then the index is at 12:30. That's Sydney time. So I want to be active at 12:30. I don't want to be placing an order that gets triggered just before that and then find out I'm in straight back out. The rules and the strategy is based around that open at 12:30. Okay, so you'll see I'm just starting to place. I place the top side order, so that's the buy order for the break to the top side, and then I've got the sell order, which I'll just leave it to the last minute, the dying few seconds to place that order in. Otherwise, like I said, I can get triggered a bit too early, okay, a bit prematurely. So you'll see I'll just place it any second now, place it into the market. So there you go, sell order is placed, ready to go. And I think it triggers almost straight away, give it about 1 or 2 seconds. So there we go, kicked off and triggered, boom, just there. So we're now short, sold 10 at market or at 22,203, and my profit target will be 73 with my risk at 33. So you'll see I do come under a little bit of pressure, but all in all, it was a pretty much a straightforward trade. It was done within, I think, probably just about a minute and a half or so. So like I said, it's a nice, easy trade, nice and simple. There's no real brains needed for it. It's just a straightforward process. And you can find out more if you just go to our website at www.tradethestructure.com. Okay, and I'll send you out more information. So let's just kick back and watch it and watch that profit target get hit. Okay, we just fast forwarded a bit and you'll see that just goes into the level and it's just toying with us a bit, only for a few seconds really, before it heads back down again and trades through that profit target, and you'll see, boom, there you go, all done. So we've locked away, like I said, 31 points and we're only risking 30. So it's basically a one-to-one trade and it's all based around that breakout. So there you go, sold at 22,203 and bought them back at 22,172. Okay, as I mentioned before, jump on the website. It's www.tradethestructure.com. Take a look around. There's a lot of information on there. Now, also don't forget to register. If you want more information about the 5-minute trading day, you just need to register a free account and you can get into the members area. There's a lot of educational material in there and I'll always be adding to that. We have a free Discord channel too, which you can sign up to. And then if you're interested in the 5-minute trading day, I'll send you off the PDF with all the rules and the parameters for the actual trade, and you can go ahead and start making money yourself. All right, thanks for joining me, and we'll speak to you again soon.